Good morning, students. Let's start today's mathematics class of 6th, chapter 3, playing with numbers. This is lecture number 4. Recapitulation. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its last, that is ones place digit, is 0. If we have to find out whether a number is divisible by 10 or not, what we will see? We will see its ones place digit, units place digit. If it is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, 450, 55,560 and so on. Okay, now you can see that in both these examples, ones place digit is 0. So these numbers are divisible by 10. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last, that is ones place digit, is either 5 or 0. Okay. Now if the ones place digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 2,985, 45,620. In one example, our ones place digit is 5 and in another it is 0. So both these numbers are divisible by 5. After that, we have done divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is divisible by 2. That means ones place digit is even. Or we can say if the ones place digit is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay. Example C. 782, 1554, 98, 9,85,636 and so on. Okay. Now see divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digits, that is ones place digit and tens place digit, is divisible by 4. Number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. See the numbers now. Examples. 10,044. Number formed by last two digits is 44. Is 44 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 11s are 44. So 10,044 is also divisible by 4. See one more example. 5,65,572. Number found by its last two digits is 72. Now see whether it is divisible by 4 or not. 72. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Okay. So if 72 is divisible by 4, then the complete number 5,65,572 is also divisible by 4. Next example is 6,54,900. Its last two digits are 0. If you remember, yesterday I have told you that if the last two digits are 0, then also our number is divisible by 4. So this is also divisible by 4. Clear? After that, we have done divisibility by 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its last three digits, that is ones place, tens place and hundred place, is divisible by 8. Okay, if a number is of 4 digits or more than 4 digits, then we can check its last three digits. If the last three digits are divisible by 8, then the number is also divisible by 8. Now see today's topics. Today we will do divisibility by 3, by 9, by 6 and by 11. Okay, today we will learn how to check divisibility by 3, 9, 6 and 11 without doing actual division. So first of all, divisibility by 3. It's very easy. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Sum of its digits. See the example. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? First is 7,54,206. Find out the sum of its digits. It is 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 6. Isn't it? So find the sum of these. It is 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. So if the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Now see the second example. It is 85,37,014. Now again find out the sum of its all the digits. That is 8 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4. What is the sum? You will get 28, which is not divisible by 3. So as 28 is not divisible by 3, so the number 85,37,014 is also not divisible by 3. Okay? Now we will do divisibility by 9. It is same as divisibility by 3. Okay? Exactly same. Only in this you have to check by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Okay, in 3 we have done that sum of digits must be divisible by 3. In 9 we will see that sum of the digits is divisible by 9. See the examples. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? First is 67,32,018. What we have to do first? We have to find out the sum of its all the digits. So find out the sum. 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 equal to 27. Is 27 divisible by 9? Yes, it is divisible by 9. So 67,32,018 is also divisible by 9. Same we will do in the second example also. 56,83,718. First of all, find out the sum of its all the digits. 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2. Sum of all the digits are 32, which is not divisible by 9. So as 32 is not divisible by 9, so 56,83,718 is not divisible by 9. Clear? In the divisibility by 3, we have to find out the sum of all the digits and check whether that sum is divisible by 3 or not. And in divisibility by 9, we have to find out the sum of all the digits and then check whether the sum is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Now let's move to divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 as well as by 3. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. You have done divisibility of 2 and 3 both. Okay, so now for the 6 you have to check for a particular number divisibility of 2 and 3 both. If a number is divisible by both, then that number is divisible by 6 also. But if it is suppose divisible by 2 but not by 3, then it is not divisible by 6. Or if it is divisible by 3 but not by 2, then also it is not divisible by 2. So the condition is that a number must be divisible by both, that is 2 and 3. See the examples now. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 6? 53,022. We have to check for 2 and 3 both. For 2, how we will check the divisibility rule? It is that we will check the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is even, then the number is divisible by 2. If the ones place digit is divisible by 2, then the complete number is divisible by 2. So let us check first of all by 2. Now see, in this number, ones place digit is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. So the given number is divisible by 2. Now we will check the same number by 3 also. Just now we have read how to check the divisibility by 3 by adding its digit. So the sum of the digits is 5 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 12. Okay, it is divisible by 3. So 53,022 is divisible by 3. Now you have seen that 53,022 is divisible by 2 also and by 3 also. So it is divisible by 6 also. Okay. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. Let's see the second second example now. It is 7,51,024. Now in this, see, ones place digit is 4. 4 is divisible by 2. That means the number is divisible by 2. Now check by 3. Find out the sum of all its digits. It is 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 19. It is not divisible by 3. Is 19 divisible by 3? No. 19 is not divisible by 3. Now you see that 7,51,024 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6 also. Okay, because the condition is that the number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now see divisibility by 11. First method of this is I will tell you two methods. Okay, first of all see the first method to check the divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of digits are at the odd places. What is there? Difference of sum of digits at odd places. Places you know, ones, tens, 100, 1000. These are the places. So first of all you have to find out the sum of digits at odd places. Just like ones, 100, 10,000. These are odd place. Starting from the ones place. Okay. So ones place digits, find out their sum and then find out the sum of digits at even places, that is tens, thousands and so on. sum of odd place digits, sum of even place digits, and then find out their difference. If it is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. See the example. It is more clear to you with the help of example. First number is 5,73,243. 5,73,243. What we have done in the theory part, that the sum of odd place digits and the sum of even places digits. So let us find out first of all sum of digits at odd places starting from ones place. I have marked all the odd place digits with blue line. So ones place digit is odd place, 100 place is odd place, and 10,000 place is odd place. So find out the sum of these. 3 plus 2 plus 7, it is 12. Now find out the sum of even place digits. That is 4 plus 3 plus 5 remaining digits. Okay, 4 plus 3 plus 5, tens place digit, 1000 place digit, and lakh place digit, which is also equal to 12. Now find out their difference. Sum of odd place digit, sum of even place digit, and find out their difference. It is 12 minus 12, 0. So what I have told, if the difference is 0 or it is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Now here it is 0. So 5,73,243 is divisible by 11. See one more example. It is 58,69,217. Sum of digits at odd places, that is ones, 100, 10,000, 10 lakh. Sum of odd places digits are 7 plus 2 plus 6, 6 plus 5. I have underlined all odd place digits, which is equal to 20. Now find out the sum of even place digits. It is 1 plus 9 plus 8, which is equal to 18. Find out their difference now. 20 minus 18, which is equal to 2. Is 2 divisible by 11? No, it is not divisible. So the number 58,69,217 is also not divisible by 11. Hope you have understood now. Now see the second method. A number is divisible by 11 if the sum of numbers in blocks of 2 digits from right to left is divisible by 11. Sum of numbers in blocks of 2 digits, okay, from right to left. See the example. Consider the number. It is 9,18,082. I have made the pair of 2 digits. See, because we have to make the blocks of 2 digits now. Starting from the right, ones and tens, this is the one pair. Then 100 and 1000, that is one pair. Then 10,000 and lakh, that is the next pair. Now it is asked to find out the sum of numbers in blocks of 2 digits. Okay, starting from right to left. That means 82, which is the first pair. Then plus 80, second pair. Then third, 91. Add all these three. 82 plus 80 plus 91, which is equal to 253. Again I am telling, whatever number you have, find out the number or change the number in blocks of 2 digits from right to left. Starting from ones place. Ones and tens plates, they will make together one block. 100 and 1000 will make another block. 10,000 and lakh will make another block. Now add all these. 82, but remember, don't write down in opposite. Don't write down 82 as 28. Okay, you have to write down complete block as it is. 82 plus 80 plus 91, which is equal to 253, which is divisible by 11. So if it is divisible by 11, then the number is also divisible by 11. And if you don't know whether 253 is divisible by 11 or not, then you can repeat the same process again also. Okay, now again divide this 253 into the group of 2. Starting from the ones place. Ones and tens place will make one group, that is 53, and 2 will remain alone. Okay, so 53 plus 2 is 55. So 55 is divisible by 11, that we all know. Okay, so out of these two methods, you can follow any one method which you feel easy. Now see some of the examples. Different questions are these, and these same type of questions are given in your NCERT book also, which I have given as a homework today. So listen them carefully. In the given number, replace star by the smallest and the greatest digit so that the number formed is divisible by 3. You have to replace this star number by the greatest and the smallest digit so that the number is divisible by 3. Now see, in the given number, as we have to find out the sum of all the digits to check the divisibility by 3, here also we will find out the sum of all the digits. Okay, so sum of given digit except star, that is 7 plus 0 plus 9 plus 5, which is equal to 22. It is equal to 22 na? So first of all we are find out the smallest digit. The smallest digit that we have to add to 22 is 2 to get 24. When we add 2 to 22, it will make 24, and which we know is divisible by 3. 24 is divisible by 3. If we add 1, then it will become 23, and we know 23 is not divisible by 3. If we add 2, it will become 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. So the number formed is now, in place of star, we will write down 2. It is 710295, which is divisible by 3. We have replaced star by 2. So the smallest number is 2, which make the given number divisible by 2. Now we will find out the greatest number. Again, our sum is 22 only. The greatest digit that we have to add to 22 is 8. Greatest digit you know, digits you know, that from 0 to 9 all are the digits. Okay, so if the greatest digit is 9, if we add 9 to 22, we get 31. 31 is not divisible by 3. So now add the second greatest digit, that is 8. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 is divisible by 3. So the number formed is, in place of star, now we will write down 8, 7, 1, 0, 8, 9 and 5, which is divisible by 3. So the greatest digit by which star is to be replaced is 8. Okay. Now see the second question. In each of the following, replace star by a digit so that the number formed is divisible by 11. In first question, we have replaced star so that the number is divisible by 3. In this, we have to replace star so that the number is divisible by 11. Now see. Star occurs at which place? It occurs at odd place. Because ones place is odd, then 100 place is odd, then 10,000 place is odd. So it occurs at 10,000 place na, that is the odd place. So sum of the digit at odd places are 7 plus 3 equal to 10. And sum of the digit at even places 9 plus 5, that is 23. Find out their difference. 13. 13 is not divisible by 11. So what we have to do? We have to replace odd place digit by 2. Because then 10, now the odd place digit sum is 10. Okay, and if in place of star we will write down 2, we have to add 2 also in 10. And it will become 12. And when we subtract 12 from 23, we will get 11. So, replace star by 2, then the sum of the digit at odd places is 7 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 12. Now, the difference is 23 minus 12 equal to 11, which is divisible by 11. Okay, so star is to be replaced by the digit 2. Understood? Now you have to do exercise 3.3, question number 3 and 4, A to E parts, and question number 5 and 6 in notebook. Beta, question number 5 and 6 of NCERT of exercise 3.3 are same as we have done these star questions. Okay? So try to do them. If you have not able to do, then we will revise these questions tomorrow again. Okay? And one more thing I want to say. Yesterday, I think by mistake, I have given you question number 3 of exercise 3.3 in the homework. That is not question number 3. Yesterday, I have to give question number 2 only. Okay? Because question number 3 is to check divisibility by 6. And this we have done today on. Okay? So, yesterday homework, I think by mistake I have given wrong. Though in Adquark, I have write down correct homework. It is exercise 3.3, question number 2. That was yesterday's homework. Now see the homework solution of lecture 3. I have given some of the extra questions. First of all, I am taking that. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 or not? A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is either 0 or 5. And a number is divisible by 10 if its ones place digit is 0. So see the first part. 3725. Its ones place digit is 5. So it is divisible by 5 but not by 10. Second, its ones place digit is 0. So it is divisible by both 5 and 10. Third, its ones place digit is 3. So it is not divisible by 5 also and 10 also. Okay, because for 5 we want ones place digit either 0 or 5, and for 10 we want ones place digit is 0, and it is 3 now. So it is not divisible by both 5 and 10. In fourth question, ones place digit is 5. It is divisible by 5, but it is not divisible by 10. Question number 2. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? In first number, ones place digit is 4. It is divisible by 2. Second, ones place digit is 0. It is divisible by 2. Third, ones place digit is 7, which is not divisible by 2. And in fourth, ones place digit is 5, which is also not divisible by 2. Now exercise 3.3 of NCERT, question number 2. Again I am telling, I think by mistake in the lecture, I have written question number 3. Okay? But it is done by mistake. You have to do question number 2. Okay? If you have not done or if you have done it wrong, then now do it. Question number 2 is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and by 8. See the A part, 572. First of all, we have to check by 4. Number found by last 2 digits is 72. It is divisible by 4. So 572 is divisible by 4. Now check by 8. Number found by last 3 digits is 572. That is the complete number. So you have to check it by original division also, actual division only. It is not divisible by 8. When you will check, you will find out that it is not divisible by 8. So 572 is not divisible by 8. Now see one more part I have done. Now in this I have taken a long number, 7,26,352. First of all, check by 4. Number formed by last 2 digits is 52. Is 52 divisible by 4? Yes. So 7,26,352 is also divisible by 4. Now check by 8. Number found by last 3 digits is 352. Is 352 divisible by 8? Yes, it is divisible by 8. So 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. Means for by 4 and by 8, you have to check every number separately. Okay? Rest all the parts we have to do like this only. So I have done only 2 parts. Okay? Thank you.